everyone, welcome back to my channel Promote for Earn. Today I am super excited to share my experience with a brand that has been making waves in the world of fashion RepDog. They're currently running incredible offers with the discount ranging from 50% to whooping 70% off. And let me tell you, it's game changers. I recently dived into the RepDog website that could not resist grabbing a bunch of their clothing pieces. The range of style is mind blowing, and the best part, you can snag these trendy outfits on unbelievable prices right now. It's a golden opportunity to upgrade your wardrobe without burning a hole in your pockets. From the moment I clicked order, the process was seamless, was fast forward to much anticipated delivery day. Each item was neatly packaged and the quality of the fabrics exceeded my expectation. I mean, we are talking about style and comfort hand in hands. What really caught my attention in the diversity in their offering. Whether you are into casual vibes or dressing up for a special occasion, RepDog has not something for everyone, and the fact that they are offering this killer discount makes it even more tempting. Now, let's talk transparency. RepDog does not just stop at delivering fantastic clothing, the priority is customer satisfaction. The fit was support on, and it's clear they pay attention to the detail that matters. So if you are on the lookout for stylish, affordable, and high quality fashion, Rapdog is the name you needed to remember. Don't miss out on this epic sale. 50% to 70% off is no joke. I will drop the link in the description box below so you can check it out. Don't forget to follow them on Instagram and TikTok. There are contact icons you can click on and order now. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Until next time, stay stylish and the next video in with new brands. Thanks for watching.